What's up, everybody? Welcome back to English with Rose and me. I'm Caleb.
And I'm Rose, and today we have something super practical for you.
We're giving you 100 polite American English phrases when you don't understand someone.
Because let's be real, that moment when your brain just freezes and you have no idea what the person just said, the worst.
The absolute worst. So today, we're fixing that forever.
We'll show you exactly what to say at work, with friends, on the phone, at restaurants, everywhere.
And we're saying every single phrase slowly so you can repeat after us. Ready?
Let's go.
Category 1, the classic I didn't hear you phrases.
Number 1, sorry, could you repeat that?
Sorry, could you repeat that?
Number 2, pardon?
Pardon?
Number 3, excuse me.
Excuse me.
Number 4, come again?
Come again.
Number 5, I didn't catch that.
I didn't catch that.
Number 6, sorry, I missed that.
Sorry, I missed that.
Number 7, could you say that one more time?
Could you say that one more time?
Number 8, I didn't get that.
I didn't get that.
Number 9, would you mind repeating that?
Would you mind repeating that?
Number 10, sorry, what was that?
Sorry, what was that? Category 2, asking people to slow down.
Number 11, could you speak a little slower, please?
Could you speak a little slower, please?
Number 12, would you mind slowing down a bit?
Would you mind slowing down a bit?
Number 13, can you say that more slowly?
Can you say that more slowly?
Number 14, I'm still learning English. Could you slow down a little?
I'm still learning English. Could you slow down a little?
Number 15, sorry, you're speaking a bit too fast for me.
Sorry, you're speaking a bit too fast for me. Category 4, when you don't understand the meaning.
Number 16, what does that mean?
What does that mean?
Number 17, I'm not familiar with that word.
I'm not familiar with that word.
Number 18, could you explain what you mean?
Could you explain what you mean?
Number 19, sorry, I don't follow.
Sorry, I don't follow.
Number 20, what do you mean by that?
What do you mean by that?
Number 21, could you say that in a simpler way?
Could you say that in a simpler way?
Number 22, I'm not sure I understand.
I'm not sure I understand.
Number 23, can you give me an example?
Can you give me an example?
Number 24, that went right over my head.
That went right over my head.
Number 25, I think I lost you there.
I think I lost you there. Category 5, checking if you heard correctly.
Number 26, so you mean...
So you mean...
Number 27, just to make sure I understand.
Just to make sure I understand.
Number 28, do you mean that...
Do you mean that...
Number 29, if I understand correctly.
If I understand correctly.
Number 30, let me see if I got this right.
Let me see if I got this right.
Number 31, you're saying that, right?
You're saying that, right?
Number 32, so basically...
So basically...
Number 33, in other words...
In other words...
Number 34, can I repeat that back to you?
Can I repeat that back to you?
Number 35, I want to make sure I heard you right.
I want to make sure I heard you right. Category 5, super polite and professional phrases, perfect for work.
Number 36, I apologize. I didn't quite catch that.
I apologize. I didn't quite catch that.
Number 37, would you mind repeating that for me?
Would you mind repeating that for me?
Number 38, could you clarify what you meant by that?
Could you clarify what you meant by that?
Number 39, I want to make sure I'm following you correctly.
I want to make sure I'm following you correctly.
Number 40, sorry, I didn't catch the last part.
Sorry, I didn't catch the last part.
Number 41, could you go over that one more time?
Could you go over that one more time?
Number 43, I'm having a little trouble understanding.
I'm having a little trouble understanding.
Number 44, could you expand on that a little?
Could you expand on that a little?
Number 45, sorry, I missed the last sentence.
Sorry, I missed the last sentence. Category 6, casual and friendly phrases with friends.
Number 46, huh? One more time?
Huh? One more time?
Number 47, wait, what?
Wait, What?
Number 48. Bro, I totally missed that.
Bro, I totally missed that.
Number 49. Hold on, say that again.
Hold on. Say that again?
Number 50. You lost me.
You lost me.
Number 51. Back up real quick.
Back up real quick.
Number 52. I zoned out for a second. What did you say?
I zoned out for a second. What did you say?
Number 53. My bad, I wasn't paying attention.
My bad. I wasn't paying attention.
Number 54. Wait, run that by me again?
Wait, run that by me again?
Number 55. I literally caught 0 of that.
I literally caught 0 of that. Category 7, on the phone. Very important.
Number 56. Sorry, the connection is bad. Could you repeat that?
Sorry, the connection is bad. Could you repeat that?
Number 57. You're breaking up. Can you say that again?
You're breaking up. Can you say that again?
Number 58. I think we have a bad connection.
I think we have a bad connection.
Number 59. Can you speak up a little? I can barely hear you.
Can you speak up a little? I can barely hear you.
Number 60. Sorry, you cut out for a second.
Sorry, you cut out for a second.
Number 61. I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you clearly.
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you clearly.
Number 62. Would you mind calling me back? The signal is terrible.
Would you mind calling me back? The signal is terrible.
Number 63. Can you text that to me instead?
Can you text that to me instead? Category 8, asking them to use simpler words.
Number 64. Could you use simpler words, please?
Could you use simpler words, please?
Number 65. Sorry, that vocabulary is a little advanced for me.
Sorry, that vocabulary is a little advanced for me.
Number 66. Can you say it like you're talking to a 5-year-old?
Can you say it like you're talking to a 5-year-old?
Number 67. Is there a simpler way to say that?
Is there a simpler way to say that?
Number 68. I'm not familiar with that expression.
I'm not familiar with that expression. Category 9, super useful everyday extras.
Number 70. Can you spell that for me?
Can you spell that for me?
Number 70. How do you spell that?
How do you spell that?
Number 71. Could you write that down?
Could you write that down?
Number 72. Can you show me what you mean?
Can you show me what you mean?
Number 73. Do you mind if I take notes?
Do you mind if I take notes?
Number 74. Can we go one sentence at a time?
Can we go one sentence at a time?
Number 75. I need a second to process that.
I need a second to process that. Final category, bonus powerful phrases 76 to 100.
76. Sorry, I am a little lost. 77. I didn't quite get the last part. 78. Could you say the last sentence again? Number 80. I only caught the first half. Number 81. My English isn't perfect yet. Number 82. I'm still working on my listening skills. Number 83. That was a lot of information at once. Number 84. Can we slow this down just a little? Number 85. I want to understand you completely. Number 86. This is important, so I want to make sure I get it. Number 87. Would it be okay if I asked you to repeat that? Number 88. I think I misunderstood you. Number 89. Let me try to rephrase what I heard. Number 90. Is this what you meant? Number 91. Correct me if I'm wrong. Number 92. I'm doing my best to keep up. Number 93. Thanks for being patient with me. Number 94. That helps a lot, thank you. Number 95. Okay, I think I got it now. Number 96. Can I ask one more question? Number 97. One more time, please. Number 98. I'm getting better at this, I promise. Number 99. Thanks for helping me understand. Number 100. Okay, now I got it. Thank you so much.
That's all 100.
You now have 100 polite American English phrases you can use the second you don't understand someone.
No more freezing, no more awkward smiling. You have the words.
Which phrase was your favorite? Drop it in the comments right now.
And if this video helped you, subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next one.
We love you guys. Keep practicing.
We'll see you in the next episode. Peace.
Bye, everyone.